Okay. Okay, now we are at my garage. My is just plugging in the computer to the car and see how the car's doing. Okay.
Hi, yeah, we are just scanning the car, and then we will just check out what else we need to do to TJ's car.
Okay. So now the car's running and then he's plugging in, so we can see what is going on with the car. There is a few code going on, so we will see. Ooh, there's a lot of orange thing going on there. So what was your first impression of the car after you have driving it?
Oh, okay. Basically, my first impression is the car has a lack of power at the minute. So what we want to do is to find out why it's having this issue, and also the suspension. I think looking at it, it has to be the arms or the lower arms, the upper arms, and maybe on the steering and some of the engine mountings as well. Yeah. But we just got to check it out. We will put it on the hoist afterwards and check out what's up with the car. All right.
Okay, cool. Okay, this is the trouble code.
Yeah, you got your turbocharger is under boost. That's why you are feeling a lack of power.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Basic boost pressure adaptation.
Yeah, we will try that and see.
Under boost means it doesn't really.
Yeah, just say your not really tuned properly. No, we wouldn't say not tuned properly. What the engine ECU is demanding, it's not delivering that boost.
Okay. So in a way, the engine need to work harder.
Yes. Just say if I want 0.8 bar boost, but it's maybe giving you 0.5 or 0.3.
Okay.
So it's under boost.
Under boost.
Yes.
Understood.
So we have to check that part out. Why there is an under boost.
Okay, that's Mike. He is diagnosing the car, and now he will put up the car on the hoist to see what else is there to see. I think the car would need calibration and stuff. Okay, guys. Okay, just now when Mike was trying to start the car, I think there is something going on with the starter, because when he started the car, there was a smoke coming out from here. There's a smoke coming out from there. So, yeah. There might be more than we think it should be in the beginning.
Sounds like the starter.
Maybe the starter. But thing come out.